In a landmark decision in the case of Canon Properties Private Limited versus Dum Dum Club Town Residents Association, the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, New Delhi has granted major relief to the home buyers of real estate projects. Here, the Honourable National Commission has held that the builder's failure to transfer the maintenance fund collected from residents constitutes a deficiency in service. The dispute in the said case arose when, during the development and sale of the residential project, the builder executed agreements for sale with home buyers. These agreements stipulated that buyers must deposit a sinking fund towards the management, maintenance, repairs, and upkeep of the residential building and other necessary contingencies related to the residential housing complex. Upon completion of the project, the builder handed over the flats to the buyers, and subsequently, the management of the project was also transferred to the Apartment Owners Association. However, even after handing over of the flats and completion of the project, the builder failed to transfer the maintenance amounts collected from the buyers by way of the sinking fund, despite repeated requests. Aggrieved by the action of the builder, the Apartment Owners Association filed Consumer Complaint Number 398 of 2015 before the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. They sought a directive to the builder to pay the maintenance amount collected from the homebuyers along with interest and compensation. The Learned State Commission passed its order dated 5th September 2018 and partly allowed the said complaint, thereby accepting the contentions of the Complainant Association. They directed the builder to hand over the amount of the sinking fund to the Complainant Association along with simple interest at the rate of 9% per annum till its realization, as well as costs of litigation. Aggrieved by the order passed by the State Commission, the builder filed a first appeal number 1784 of 2018 before the National Commission. Deciding the appeal, the National Commission, New Delhi held that once the Apartment Owners Association is due to be transferred, the sinking fund contributed by the flat buyers towards their own maintenance, the builder has no authority to retain the same. If the builder has any other dispute with the association, the builder is at liberty to initiate appropriate legal action independently. However, in no case can the builder keep the amount of sinking fund belonging to the association and deny the same to the buyers. The National Commission held that the failure of the builder in handing over the said amount amounts to a clear deficiency in services within the provisions of the Consumer Protection Act. This judgment will go a long way to settle ongoing disputes between builders and home buyers with respect to the maintenance funds and interest-free maintenance security paid by them to the builders. In this background, do tell us your views in the comments to this video. Please also share this video and subscribe to this channel for legal updates.